Hey YouTube, I bought this fire pit from Home Depot for $50 something. This is a 30-inch outdoor fire pit. It comes with a removable log crate, which is this right here. This is the mesh screen, the fire poker, this right here, and these are the three stands, the foot to hold it. Easy setup. Comes with this hardware kit here. This is the handle for the mesh cover, and these are the screws. This is the fire pit here. You can connect it here, right there. Just take these and put it like this, and screw it on. Okay, so I put on the foot here, the legs. It got a curve inside, 2 screws here, and this piece to hold it. The other circle piece is to hold it, the bottom legs here, so it's tight. So this is it like this. This is to put the wood on it, the logs. This is the cover. Okay, and this is the Hampton Bay fire pit. It's an outdoor fire pit. Okay guys, so I'm using this this cardboard wax type firewood. This is for eco-friendly. It's Enviro log. It's for all-purpose fire pits indoor. So it started to light. I have the log here, and this is the fire pit. Not bad. I'm in the backyard here. I'm gonna do some marshmallow and s'mores. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, and thanks for watching.